explanation on how to take care of your cartridges. So what I'm going to demonstrate is what you're looking for in a cartridge for print quality. That's a good solid quality print, nice and dark, and I'll demonstrate a cartridge that's not working as well. You can see the difference. There's nozzles missing, there's problems with clarity. With cleaning the nozzles, what you do is you'll select the function key on your remote, go down to printing setup, number 5, then down to number 5 again, which is clean print head. At this point, you'll pull the trigger, or if you have a conveyor one, press something in front of the photo eye and it'll put out a solid stream of ink to flush those nozzles clean. So at that point, do it maybe 3 times or so. I'll go back and I'll check and see how my print looks. Okay? So, not much difference. Hasn't come a long ways. So your next method is to remove the cartridge. And you want to clean the nozzles. This is where your print comes from. So the easiest way to start is the drawback method. So I'm going to draw back here, and I'm looking for 2 good solid black lines. You can see this one's breaking up. I'm not getting a solid line. Okay? So that's not going to cut it. You can see here, if I show you with the good cartridge, really heavy black ink. You can see here, this is much lighter. So what we'll go to then is our third method, which is a syringe tool. These are available through Sterling, through your sales rep, as an add-on. So what I'll do is I'll snap that cartridge in, put the syringe on with it bottomed out, and all I'm going to do is draw back just a little bit of ink. You don't want to remove too much ink just because you're taking out of your ink stores. You can see my ink is coming back much darker now. You cannot put the ink back into the cartridge, so anything you draw out is waste. Try it again and see what my print looks like. And you can see it's coming along a lot better. Right? So I'll probably do that one more time. That'll bring enough ink to the surface that that'll get your print back to where you need to be.